the previous session, we had covered some important techniques which are proven for good reading. Now in this section, we would cover techniques specifically to identify the main theme of the passage. So if you are able to identify the main theme of the passage, then there is no reason that you would attempt the question incorrectly. So one of the important steps is to identify the purpose of the passage. Now, what it is meant for, whom it is trying to persuade, whom it is trying to entertain, what it is trying to analyze are some of the questions that you can actually answer if you are able to understand the main purpose. But again, the question comes, how would you understand? So the answer is very simple. First, go through the introduction. Now, in the introduction, either there would be the basic concept of the subject matter, something related to what has been discussed later, or few clues that could actually help you towards the main idea of the passage. But sometimes you need to have a broader vision to understand how to infer. Now, this could be based on what it discusses, some of the evidences that could be there, or conclusions that it can reach, and what ultimately the author is trying to say is the basic idea that you must take into account. So another important thing is the implications. So there can be recurring ideas or thoughts that are emphasized across the passage, but they are not related to the main idea. They are just supporting the main idea or the main context. So that has to be taken into account with the help of the tone of the author, the attitude of the author, and the supporting ideas, which could be in the form of data, it could be in the form of examples, it could be as reasoning to the passage, would help you understand the main idea. So I take a very simple example. Even in your assertion reason questions, the reason is a supporting document. It's trying to help understand the main assertion which is there, in case we consider both as true. So that helps you identify what's the main idea, what's the theme around which it is revolving, and that would help you attempt the questions in more precise and accurate manner. The detailed lectures on reading and strategies are available in the link below. So do connect for more information. Thanks for joining in. Please follow. Thank you.